Hi, welcome to Desi Writer channel. Do you need to lose weight? Every day in the United States, 10 lakhs of America. Are you one of those people? While many of the people who reveal to themselves that they need to get thinner do have to get more fit, not all do. Along these lines, the inquiry that many pose to themselves is, do I truly need to shed pounds? If that is an inquiry that you have posed to yourself previously, you will need to keep perusing on. One of the numerous signs that you may have to get thinner is on the off chance that you are large. Numerous people don't understand that there is a contrast between being overweight and being large. While distinctive medical care experts have various definitions for large, it is frequently said that the individuals who are 30 or 40 pounds overweight are fat. In the event that you are hefty, you shouldn't just be stressed over your appearance, yet your well-being also. Heftiness has been connected to various unexpected problems, including the beginning stage of death. Another of the numerous signs that you ought to get more fit is on the off chance that you have been informed that you need to do as such. Regardless of whether your doctor suggested getting more fit or in the event that somebody that you know on an individual level has, it is prompted that you at any rate contemplate their ideas. Tragically, numerous people are humiliated or become vexed when they are informed that they need to get thinner. What you need to recall is that the individual referencing your weight to you probably isn't as worried about your appearance as they are with your well-being. Another sign that you might need to consider getting in shape is in the event that you are finding that your garments not, at this point, fit you. Obviously, it is typical for certain people to put on weight or to have their weight vary. However, you might need to consider joining a Get Healthy plan or building up your own weight reduction plan in the event that you find that your garments not, at this point, fit or are hard to get into. Shockingly, numerous people don't simply have a little weight to acquire. Little weight acquired frequently prompts more, which could adversely affect your well-being. It is likewise essential to specify the expense of new garments, which you will be unable to manage. On the off chance that you discover numerous basic undertakings or exercises, such as strolling up a stairway, troublesome, you might need to consider getting in shape. Obviously, getting exhausted from basic exercises may not really be a weight issue, however there is a decent possibility that it is. At the point when you get more fit, even only a tad of it, you will probably think that it's simpler to do a considerable lot of the exercises that you love or even the assignments that you need to do, similar to take your children to the recreation center. The previously mentioned signs are only a couple of the numerous signs that you may have to get thinner. Should you wish to get more fit, you are encouraged to continue with a late. There are various weight reduction items available, similar to eat fewer carbs pills or gym equipment, which don't work. To set aside yourself in cash and to ensure your well-being, you might need to consider talking with your doctor prior to beginning any Get Healthy plan, even one that you create yourself. Thank you watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share this video.